Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pie on M1 Finance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started investing on M1 Finance. How do you actually go ahead and create a pie? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to M1 Finance, then click on Invest on the bottom hand corner. Now, once you've selected your portfolio, this is an example portfolio where 95% of the pie is ETFs and 5% is other stocks. So what you're going to do here is that if you don't see the option to create a pie, click on the tab towards the bottom. So it should scroll up like this. Then click on edit. And then this is where you could actually click on create a pie. So what this is going to do is that it's going to create a new pie and it'll add it here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create a pie on M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.